Got a plumbing problem? Bob Oates Plumbing is here to help. We're a full-service, family-owned, local plumbing, sewer, and drain cleaning company with a track record of trust, great value, and fast, friendly service. Large or small, we do it all. From fixing a leaky faucet to cleaning a clogged drain to upgrading your hot water tank and full home repiping. And we're side sewer certified with state-of-the-art solutions to repair, replace, or renew any sewer or drain issue you're having, including trenchless options such as pipe bursting and pipe lining. No matter the job, you get expert help, the latest technology, plus the best written warranty in the business. Give us a call and visit us online. We look forward to serving you. Bob Oates Plumbing, Sewer and Rooter.